What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog, I'm going to be talking about my 2018 Dodge Charger I just recently purchased 2 weeks ago. It's a XXT Plus edition. It comes with Track Pack Sport and comes with a performance hood when I bought it. So I'm excited to show you guys, and less than me talking, and let's just get right into it. I'm actually very excited because there's a lot of stuff I plan on doing with this car, but yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but it comes with a super track pack package. The reason why I bought this car initially was because, number one, my previous car I had was a 750 Li BMW, and for those of you who know about BMWs and those cars specifically, I had a lot of problems. Engine coolant leak to engine oil leaks it was just flat out a lot of problems with it. I put a lot of money into it, and when it had troubles again, I didn't want to put all that money in again. So I was like, hey, you know what, it's time to get a new vehicle. It had a lot of miles on it, so I was in need of a brand new vehicle anyways. Well, not in need, but you know what I mean. So the second reason why I bought this car was because my actual first car I ever bought was a 2010 Dodge Charger, and that was like a couple years ago, like 6-7 years ago. But yes, I bought a used 2010 Dodge Charger. It was all silver. I don't know if I have pictures of it still, but I liked it a lot. I had made upgrades to that car and to like interior and exterior, and it was just my first car and I was in love with it. I had a few engine problems wrong with it just because I bought it with high mileage, and at the time I was like, what, 17, 18 years old, and I didn't have enough funds to, you know, just fix the problem, so I had to get rid of it. Which brings me to my third reasoning of why I bought this car. I already like Dodge. I like the style of it. I like how it's kind of like a sports car, and you're able to have 5 seats still. I like that the parts for Dodge are inexpensive, and you can make a lot of custom things to your car from exterior to interior. I like how the maintenance is just inexpensive, and again, just the parts to this car, if you want to customize it, they're very inexpensive too. And that's kind of what I plan on doing. Not kind of, but that's what I plan on doing to this car. So let's talk about upgrades. The first custom upgrade I made on this was the spoiler. I actually got this done 2 days ago. The spoiler itself I got from Amazon, very inexpensive. I think it was like $100. I could be wrong, but it was around that ballpark. But yeah, I got that done about 2 days ago, and the installment fee, because I took it to a mechanic, because it originally did come with like a little white spoiler, but it was real small, and I took that off. But yeah, the installment fee came out to like $150 to get it installed at the mechanics or the body shop. And yeah, so I really like it a lot. It brings up the car a lot. The only thing about the spoiler that, you know, was kind of whatever for me was that when I first purchased the car, it came with like its own stock spoiler. It was a white one. It was really small, and the factory ended up, when they put the white spoiler on, they ended up placing little holes for the current spoiler that was on. And if I want to put this one on, as you guys can see, it extends out. I had to, you know, I'd improvise. So they gave me 2 options: to either cover these holes up with these little black little things, or get a new spoiler, or yeah. So I was fine with those. You can't really tell. You can only tell when the trunk is open like this, and it's not like I'm going to be driving around with this trunk open. So I didn't really mind, and when you close it, it covers up the holes. So, you know, you can kind of tell a little bit. If you squeeze in there a little bit, you can kind of see it. But for the most part, I don't mind. I don't mind it at all. I guess it just comes down to your guys' preference. Like I said, you can't really see them only when, of course, the trunk is up. So the second custom I made was, I actually installed this 2 days ago too. I put the shark fin fender on, or not fender, I'm sorry. I put the shark fin rear bumper on, and to be honest, I don't know if you guys can tell, but to be honest, that was the easiest thing I put on. My brother helped me put it on real quick, and it came out good. I originally had the stock one before, but this one, it definitely brings out the back of the car. I don't know if you guys can tell right now, just because I know the sun is hitting it a lot, but yeah, it really brings out that back end of the car, and it matches with the matte black spoiler, and it looks real good with it. So the third thing I custom, you can't really tell, but I changed the exhaust tips. And I ended up putting a new I did a muffler delete, so I deleted the rear mufflers and I ended up putting a new muffler on. It sounds a lot better. The muffler brand, is Aero. It was something Aero. The brand was Aero something. I forgot. I'll put the link in the description. But that was inexpensive too. The muffler cost me around, like, I think it was like $250 for the mufflers, and the installation fee came out to like $150. So altogether it was like $400, but it's definitely well worth it, and I'll give you guys a preview right now how it sounds. So yes, the thing I do like about Dodge, which is by far the favorite thing I like about this key, is that you can do cold starts. So yeah, that's the sound of my car. Definitely like it. That was my first muffler I ever put on my car, and I love it. It's perfect for me. So a few customizations I want to add to this vehicle. I want to definitely black out the headlights, the rear headlights. I feel like it'll definitely bring out the back more. Another thing I want to customize, I actually ordered like a koi fish vinyl, and it's like a big vinyl sticker, and it goes from here, from the back window all the way to like there. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it myself or I should just take it to someone professional, but I definitely have that on the way. I definitely gonna be putting in like some, Instagram, YouTube stickers right there. I definitely want to black out the antenna, as well as like the little the mirrors and the door handles. So for the front, I wanted to do like a front lip that goes all the way around the front, but I just decided to order the ones, like the color ones. I ordered yellow ones, but it's just one goes right here on this side and the other goes on that side. So I ordered those. Another thing I want to do is I definitely want to make the tires probably go up one more size. And I want to make the rims like a gold color, not like shiny gold, but that I think it's like a brass gold or a dual gold. I don't know, I could be wrong, but other than that, I like my car. I like how it came. The windows already came with tint, which I liked. I didn't have to worry about that. Another feature I like is just all around, I just like the car. It has a lot of trunk space, a lot of stuff, honestly. I ordered a LED exterior lights, like for the underglow, so that should be pretty cool. That should be really cool, actually. I can't wait to show you guys another video on that. But as far as everything else goes, there's going to be a lot of videos coming soon with this car. I plan on doing a lot of custom stuff to this car. I plan on pimping it out. Nothing like pimp my ride, but you know me, I have to do something with this car. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm actually going to be putting out a lot more videos of this car. Every time I make a custom to this car, I plan on showing you guys, whether it's like a short highlight reel on YouTube or a vlog like this. I'm gonna be showing you guys all about this car. I'm gonna make this a project car, definitely pimp it out, definitely get some head turns. So can't wait to show you guys what the future holds with me, this car, and yeah, so I can't wait to show you guys this journey, and hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, show me love, show your support, and we out. Peace out, guys.